Okay, so what I'm doing now is I need to get the rocker cover off so we can fix all this mess that whoever put this on. Analyse where the leak's coming from, replace the gasket and hopefully solve the oil leak that she's got. I didn't really calculate too much, but the rear shocks were £68.80 so far. This is now rubbish, I hope. There we go. It's not how you should do it, but yeah. The whole pipe's down here as well.
Yeah, it will be oil sucker on that.
Am I going to need new coils then?
You have to clean them out. Yeah, I'll chuck them in. I'll put them down there.
Thank you, mate.
Yeah, no, they're probably straight clean them out.
Ah, that one's clean. Good news. Another clean one. Like this. All loose, all hand tight. Bizarre. Real bizarre. You spin my nut right round like a nut round. Right, I need to break this stud off because it's been thingy and I'm going to be using this tool. I have nowhere to put the phone, so you guys are just going to have to miss this part, unfortunately. We have ruined the bolt bit there. Yeah. That's mashed. Absolutely ruined. Get that baby up. So basically it's just the corners that you need to do. Let's see all these corners here, that's where it will always leak. If it's gonna, yeah. Is it not sitting right?
I just want to make sure, you've got to make sure you see.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yep, no, it's sitting in there nicely. Just need to make sure it sits in this groove as well. Anyone else's smell? Don't know. Can I get a second opinion? Mine smells like when you take your shoe off.
Interesting.
I like that. Make sure that stays in its little recess. What's going on over this side? Some bullshit going on. We don't like bullshit.
No.
There we go. All in the recess. Nice. 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 Nice!
It looks much better already.
Right, cool. You've got 5 minutes before the silicone dries. Do all those nuts out. Talk to spec. Start from the middle.
Sure you have.
Most generally, 6x1 nuts are 10 newton meters.
Is that mini torque wrench? That is cool.
It's a baby, yeah.
And I've never seen anything that colour in cars before. So it was definitely some sort of building material shit. Duct tape.
No, it's got like elastic in it.
Yeah. Stuff that you'd use on wood.
Juicy though. Is your one juicy?
Huh?
Is your one juicy? Well,
I haven't, no, I drove it real slow.
Has this got a dash problem?
Yeah, it has a dash problem in the middle, so it doesn't tell me what miles it is.
That's the only decent thing with that. The temperature gauge still works in it, and the fuel gauge still works alright.
Yeah. I think the fuel gauge works alright.
Yeah.
What is this plastic hard pipe that's coming out of here?
That's all the breather.
There's another breather. What, the one that was coming from here?
Yeah, look. See that? It TP's off of there. Yeah. You know the one that was broken on mine?
Yeah, yeah.
That's the one inside there. The really hard to get to one.
Yeah. And then it comes up here.
It comes off at the end of that, yeah.
So I need the whole pipe again.
You can probably find something. Mum does some silicone full kit for the whole engine for like 100 quid. In blue. We've got blue, red and black.
That, oh, and a Toyota. That's off a Peugeot, and then the split pieces that I got are all off my Toyota.
I said there, brother.
Okay, okay.
And if you let that down now. Oh no, solid. Nice.
Okay.
Down.
Oh, whoa! I'm glad you didn't hit me in the face with that. But we are out. Yes, it is in there. Well, it is travelling.
All the things going round, that's never going to do that.
Oh,
There's no thread left.
okay. This shock.
Make light work
It's
of it.
melting.
Make light work of it.
Okay. That's in. That's in. Oh, they made this one an 18 instead.
You can picture the mask comes into this. Ala la bombala.
Who's that? The Gypsy Kings? Have you done the other ones?
I've done the other three up. They've just been sorted.
Alright, so we have a different stereo coming in here now. I'll be putting a Bluetoothy one, aftermarket. So I'm going to give this to my friend. Whoopsie! Got the earth thing stuck in there. Ripped off the actual earth. Here we go, mate. You're going to have a complete TT by the time I'm done with this.
Your TT, when you bought it, it was just like, oh, I'm going to get low again. And then when you're working it, it was like... Who's this fucking guy? Hey, put my covers back, I've had them for 20 years.
Just there's a lot of stuff that pisses me off on it. Yeah, it works. I just want to simplify working on it, so then I can enjoy working on it, rather than feeling that they've stuck everything in my way.
What you need to do, you need to work on Range Rovers for a month or so. And
I don't.
Go back to work on that, you'll be like, oh mate, this is so good. Just not work on those fucking Range Rovers.
I don't know who thinks of putting things on top of things on top of things on top of things, and then on top of the things that you're supposed to maintain the most anyway.
Mate, you're supposed to calm down on.
I am happy though. I'm happy that works now.
You sound it.
Needs to be a little bit lowered as well. Look at that. It's not an SUV.
Too rigid, you want to lower it?
Yeah.
Rigid then, it'll be like that thing.
Yeah, it has, yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to tell you now, you look like a freak.
Yeah, it has. Yeah, it has, mate.
Maybe see that one, huh? It's not even rusted in there, you know what I mean? Two cats. See, none of that gave heat shield of mine. That got ripped off long ago.
Two cats, too furious.
Look at my engine. Dry as hell. It's just my power steering pipe situation that leaks.
Yeah.
That engine is coming with me. And it will.
Well, you rebuilt it.
It will get murky. I'll rebuild it again, mate. That's getting 4 new pistons, 4 new conrods. Found one of these for 2 1/4. 170,000 miles. But that don't bother me because that engine's going. That engine's coming.
Do it. Do it. Do it.